Hello and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, we are going to review a product. It is a black mask with bamboo charcoal. It's a peel-off mask and we are going to try it out. So this is the product that we are going to review today. Now over here it says YC 24 hours clear black mask with bamboo charcoal. It is for whitening and moisture balance. It is a 100 ml product. So yeah, I wanted to try it out because of its whitening section, because I've always seen this mask on YouTube for the removal of blackheads, and when I saw whitening I said okay, let me give it a shot and let's try out this product for you guys at least 3 times and let's see if it works or not. And also I do not know the brand, so I don't know how safe the product is anyway, but we are going to review it in a short time. So over here, when you flip the box, you have some pictures. Can you see the pictures? Yeah, basically it's just telling you to apply it and then yeah, for 15 minutes. Cautions: contain no harmful ingredients or bleach, for external use only. Storage conditions: store in a cool and dry place out of direct sunlight. Do you guys say direct or direct? So it is manufactured under the quality control by MS Beauty Line Co Limited, Bangkok, Thailand. We also have a website over here which we are going to check it out anyway. So yeah, it is suitable for all skin type. Yeah. So we're gonna flip it again. Let's zoom out and let's see what's written over here. So basically it's written the same thing on the top, and then there's a lot to read. So it says, special formulated with bamboo charcoal that deep cleans oil and dirt from pores and allows moisture to be absorbed. Okay, they written adsorb, but I think it's absorb, okay. Into the skin. This vitalizing facial mask helps gently cleanses away oil, bacteria, deep cleans, and naturally draws pore clogging dirt from skin. It helps to regulate and balance the excess oil, purify and tighten pores. It is suitable for all skin type to rebalance the skin function, make your skin look clean, softer, firmer and smoother with a fresh and healthy glow. So okay, what I understood is it's basically the same thing as the other mask we saw on YouTube for a year or two. It is for pores, but again it has nothing to do with whitening. So you have to beware of the advertisement that these brands put out. They tell you it will do something and then at the end they do nothing related to that. So it's written nothing about the whitening portion, but anyway we have the directions over here. Gently apply to clean skin, avoiding eye area. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes or until the mask dries thoroughly. Remove by peeling off in an upward motion starting at the jawline. Use once or twice a week for better results. And then of course we have the ingredients and not a lot of natural product. So we have aqua, polyvinyl, alcohol, lactic acid, and etc, etc. And then of course we have fragrance and charcoal powder. Again over here it says Thailand, diversity and refinement, and then made in Thailand. But yeah, basically that's what the box is going to be about. Now let's begin with the unboxing. Before proceeding to the unboxing of this product right here, so in my country it is 190 rupees. Basically it's about $4 in yeah, it's $4 I would say. So let's begin with the unboxing. Yeah, it is like this. We have something inside. It's not wanting to come. Okay, come. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, they made some efforts on the packaging though. Look, it's the brand, and yet still I don't know what the brand is about. So YC, I don't know. So we have a finger like this over here. We'll use it in the DIY later. Never mind. So here is the product. Basically the same thing except that the color is darker over here, and then we have bamboo over here. And that's basically what's written at the back. Is the same thing. So I'm gonna try it out over here. Ooh. Did it say thick layer? I forgot. What did it say? Let's read again. Oh, they don't say if it should be thick or not. It said evenly applied. So I'm evenly applying it. I think if I apply it too thick, it will not pull up. Yeah, it will not. I guess over here, let's say for example, it won't pull up. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Right now, I will try it on my face anyway. So we tried out the mask, and now I was really excited for the peel off time, but I think we did a mistake while applying it. We should have applied a thicker layer, but still we applied not that thin layer, and it took about 30 to 40 minutes to dry. Like in my country it is currently summer, so yes, it was hot and it took a lot of time to actually dry up. And so when we removed it, that is when we peel it up, it did not come like a single face mask. But when we had a look at it, I'm not sure if the camera picked it or not, but when I looked at it, it had some white sebum, some baby hair around there, and our skin felt so nice. It was not like smooth baby's butt, but it was really nice. It was smooth. I could see that it took away some of the blackheads, because I was left with a big pore on my nose afterwards. Not only mine, but my sister's pores as well was like, it was a big one. And overall, I think that it did brighten up the face. I don't know, did it clean it or what happened, but there was a certain type of glow, revitalization, if that's a word, happening on our face. And yeah, so overall I would say that it is a good product. It does do what it claims to do. It is a good dupe. It, as I mentioned before, it is only $4. So I think that if you want to try it out and you really don't want to spend a lot of money, so this is a good dupe for you guys. It did what it said it will do. Now I did not try it for 3 times a week because I wanted this video to go up, and also because it was more like a first impression video. So overall for me it is a yes. I believe that it is a good mask. It does what it says, though it did not whiten the face, like made you super fair from dark, and I don't think that's an issue anyway, but it does do what it claims to do. So this was our take on the YC Black Mask with bamboo charcoal, and it is a really good product. I recommend it. I've tried it out. It's been several days after I'm doing this voiceover, and still my face looks glorious. And I've not actually I gotta say it, my dark spots, I have some dark spots on my face, and it got lightened, and I have fewer pimples. It is that time of the month, but still it is my skin is like breathing a little bit. So for me it's a good product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below if you ever tried it, or if you're going to try it, and how it was if you tried it. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified every time our video comes up. And yeah, till next, take care.